We'll guide you through how to download Minecraft maps. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you can go and get different maps online and go and get them into Minecraft. So you can go and play them. They could be a mini map or some type of other thing. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through this step by step. To get started, you can come and close out of Minecraft like so. Now, what we can do is we can then go and open a web browser. I'll use Chrome, but you could use Edge or whatever browser you want. There are different sites you can get maps from. I like to go and use CurseForge. So you can come to curseforge.com. You want to go and select Minecraft, and then you can go and press browse all at the top. Now, just before we get any further, a big thank you to Apex Hosting sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, check out the link in the pinned comment and in the description. At the moment, you can get yourself a discount, and you can also go and put Minecraft maps on these servers as well and go and play them with others. You can go and get a free subdomain with it, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, meaning you can get help when you need it, and automated backups as well. So check them out down below. Continuing with the guide, we need to go and find maps. So we can go into the filters in browse by, and you want to go and find worlds. Click on it. Now you can go and scroll through here and go and see the different ones. Now, it's important to know that depending upon the version, at the moment, I'm playing on 26.2. If you're going to go and get an older version, we'll need to go and change the version, as it's best to go and run Minecraft in the version the world and map is for, but we'll guide you through changing the version if needed. I want to go and play one chunk, which is this one here. So this is in the version which Minecraft currently runs, which is 26.2, the most up-to-date one. If it's an older version, that's fine. So when you go and find the world, you want to go and click on it, and you can go and press files at the top. Of course, you can read the description as well. And then what we can do is come down here and press the download button to the right. You'll go and see the version there as well, by the way, to the left. We'll just wait for this to go and download. And it should shortly, as you can see. You can go and wait for it to complete. There it is. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and press search at the bottom, and we're going to go and open up the Minecraft launcher. Now, this is where we're going to go and change the version if needed. So as I said, this is for 26.2, which is currently the version Minecraft runs anyway. But if you need to go and change it, press installations at the top. We can then go and find the option for new installation below search and click on it. Click version and choose the version you need. So you can scroll down, find it, or even go and type it in. Go and selecting, give it a name. I usually just go and name it what it is. So on him at 26.2. Unselect, launch after install, and press install. Now just go and wait for it to go and download. Then when it has, you'll find it in the list here. And you want to go to the right of it and press the installations folder. And then in here, you can go and scroll down, and we need to go and find the saves folder. This is alphabetical. So here it is, saves. So you can come into it. I already have some worlds here. You may do or may not. It doesn't matter. And then what we can do is we can go and drag in the world. So I'm going to come to my downloads. I'll open up my file explorer. Here it is, one chunk. At the moment, it's a zip file. So make sure you got it selected and press extract all, press extract. Now it should automatically open. And then there's another folder within it. When we open this folder, we then get to the files. So make sure you have the folder which goes straight to the files. And you can then go and drag that into the saves folder, which is just there. Then you want to come back and you find the version and press play over to the right. Wait for this to go and launch. You can go and see that it now has. And what we can do is come into single player, and we can then go and find it. You can always go and search for it, but here it is. And we can then go and press upgrade and play. So I'm just going to go and do a backup and load it. Sometimes this may be the case with worlds. That's why ideally you want to get them the same version. This is the same version, and it's just been made compatible. So we'll upgrade it and it should be fine because it said it is. And here it is. So we've now gone and successfully gone and installed it.